Hey everyone, and welcome back. I hope you're ready to dive into some serious code because today we're going to be talking all about mouse events.
Match events.
Yeah, like when you click or, release the mouse button, it's super important for making your programs, well, actually interactive.
Oh, okay. I'm starting to see where this is going. So
Yeah,
we're talking about those moments when you click and release the mouse button.
exactly. And we're going to really break down two specific functions. You ready for this? On mouse press and on mouse release. They're like the dynamic duo of making things happen in your program.
Okay. On mouse press and on mouse release. Got it.
All right, so picture this. You've got a program, nice and simple, right? And on the screen, bam, there's this bright red circle just chilling.
Okay, I can visualize that. A red circle.
And let's say that circle, well, it's made with some code that tells the computer where to put it, how big to make it, and what color to make it.
Right. That makes sense. We're talking about its properties, right? Like the position on the screen, the size, and the color.
You got it. So in this case, the code might look something like this. C, circle, 200, 220, filled. That's how we get our red circle.
All right. I think I'm following so far.
Now, here's where the magic of on mouse press comes in. Let's say we want that circle to turn blue when we click on it. We can use a function, a block of code, called on mouse press to make that happen.
Interesting. So this on mouse press function is what lets us control what happens when we press the mouse button down.
Exactly. It's like giving the computer a set of instructions to follow. So in the code, it might look something like this. Def on mouse press, xy.fill, C out to blue. See? We're telling it, when the mouse is pressed, change the circle's fill to blue.
I see. So we're using variables here too. The C fill represents the circle's color.
Spot on. So we click the mouse, the circle turns blue. Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. But now I'm curious about on mouse release. What does that do?
Well, it's kind of like the other side of the coin. On mouse release, springs into action when you let go of the mouse button.
Ah, okay. So it's about that moment when you release the click.
Exactly. And we can use it to do all sorts of things, like making our blue circle turn back to red.
So we could have something like def on mouse release xyc.fill equals red to make it go back to its original color.
Precisely. So it's like a cycle, click the mouse, blue circle, release the mouse,
Yeah,
red circle, back and forth.
gotcha. So a quick click basically makes it flash blue, then red. But what if we click and release really, really fast? Like so fast you barely even see the blue.
Ooh, good question. Well, even if it happens super quick, the program still runs through both functions. On mouse press makes it blue, and then boom, right after on mouse release makes it red again. It's like a super speedy color swap.
So even though we might not see it change to blue because it happens so quickly, the code is still being executed. That's interesting.
Yeah, it's like a hidden world of actions behind the scenes. And think about all the possibilities. We can make things change color, size, even shape, all based on how we use the mouse.
You're right. That's a lot of control. It's like opening up a whole new dimension of possibilities in our programs. And once you start combining this with other things we've learned, like loops and conditional statements, wow.
It's like leveling up your coding skills, big time. And that's what's so exciting about programming. There's always more to learn and explore.
So to all those listening out there, get creative. What can you make happen with on mouse press and on mouse release? Think outside the box, experiment, and see what amazing interactive programs you can build.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Yeah.
And we'll be back next time with another exciting deep dive into the world of code. Until then, happy coding.
Happy cookies.
See ya.